Hey guys, what's up? It's coming from G&A today. So some more range time with the Taurus TX 22, and we are clear. So I ran out for some more range time today after work, and what I was testing today was purely for function. Now I was shooting at some 3 to 4 inch steel plates at about 15 to 16 yards, and the wind was blowing again, 25 miles an hour, probably something like that. It was blowing really hard, and I was kind of swaying around because of that, but I was able to hit those 3 to 4 inch plates at 15, 16 yards pretty regularly, and I could tell exactly when I was going to miss. So I know this thing is on. It's going to be good for the type of handgun that this is. But that wasn't my focus. My focus was just function. So what I did is I cleaned it, not a spotless clean, but I did clean it. Cleaned the slide out pretty good. Cleaned the lower part of it, the grip, the frame part of it. And what I did is I put just a tiny bit of little rim oil on the rails that the slide rides on. So I did that. Also, I went ahead and took the magazines apart. And in the very first range trip I did with this, I shot some waxy bullets. And I think that was some of my issues with the last time I was at the range. Because when I took the followers out, there was wax built up in real bad in several places, and I got that all scraped out, and they were definitely had some wax in there. So this is gonna be a short video. I've got all of the shots that I shot today on video, but it's kind of boring because I really wasn't worried about the video part of it. I did want to document it though. But I shot a little over 300 rounds today, and so what I did is I shot a full mag of M22. Then I shot a full mag of Thunderbolt, a full mag of White Box, and then a full mag of Remington Golden Bullet. And I did some auto match, but that was at the end. And so this is probably some of the cheapest stuff, gives the most problems. This M22, Thunderbolt, White Box, and Golden Bullet. And what I did is, like I said, I did a mag of each of these, and I did it in that order, and I did that 4 times. So I did a mag of this, 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 mag of this. And I ran through that 4 times. And then after I did that, so that was 16 total mags, then I ran another full mag of M22 and another full mag of White Box. And in those, well, in all the rounds I shot today, which was a little over 300 rounds, I had 2 stoppages. And one was on the M22, and on that one, there was a round in the chamber, and I couldn't really tell. It probably did have a strike on it. I went ahead and pulled the trigger again, and then it did fire, but it was in the chamber, so I don't know exactly what happened there. The other stoppage was on White Box. Had 1 stoppage on that, and it looked like it just did not pick up a round from the magazine. Barely pulled the slide back. Nothing was in the chamber, and nothing else was wrong. It ejected the round just fine. So anything could have caused that. It may have been that as I was loading those magazines, I may have gotten them kind of out of the kilter. It may have been that the round before that was underpowered and it didn't kick the slide back far enough to get far enough back to catch the round. I don't know, but in over 300 rounds, and I shot 2 full mags of auto match, and then a few more just little pieces of that. But in all of those, I had 2 stoppages in over 300 rounds. I've had some 22s that have stoppages all the time. In 18 mags, I had 2 stoppages with this junky 22 LR. That's very good. And I know, people think, well, it's Taurus, maybe it's going to be, it may just be a lemon, maybe a turd or whatever. For mine, and mine's just a sample size of 1, but I know mine is reliable. It's not like it's going to cause me a problem every magazine. It's going to happen every once in a while because it's shooting this ammo. But shooting this cheap stuff out of 300 rounds, 2 stoppages, I'm going to say that is very, very good. Okay, I'm just going to play a little bit of the range video. Like I said, it's nothing interesting or anything. I just wanted to document it, but this is coming from G&A today. Thanks for watching. All right, let's start off with shooting some M22. Safety on. Okay. shooting some white box now. Okay, shot perfectly. All right, shooting some Remington Golden Bullet. All right, shot that perfect. Remington Golden Bullet. All right, shooting the M22. Okay, shot the M22 perfect. All right, then Thunderbolt. Okay, that's shot perfectly. Shooting Winchester white box. Okay, shot perfectly. Remington Golden Bullet. Okay, that's shot perfect. All right, shooting some M22. Ah, see what happened there. White box, just a white box. Did not pick up a round. That shot perfectly. Okay, he's shooting some M22. Okay, shot perfect. Okay, some Remington Thunderbolt.